Oh, hey, I'm here looking for the grooviest cat of them all. Where you at?
Oh, hello there. My name is Cedric, the Cosmic Bunny. I'm not the grooviest cat, but I am the grooviest rabbit.
Well, that's all good. Listen, my friend, I know that you can see the future. So what I want to know is, when am I gonna find some love from the ladies?
Looking for some love from the ladies, eh? Well, you don't need to have to worry, because very shortly I see you laying in a bed, having several women taking care of every need.
Now that is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you're going to end up in hospital with kidney stones. But don't worry, those nurses will take great care of you.
Oh man,